Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are exploring a really cool way to use the Wix ecosystem for your YouTube content creation, specifically for making YouTube thumbnails and drafting video scripts. While Wix is famous for websites, its design and AI tools have evolved into a full creative sweep that can seriously speed up your production workflow. To create professional YouTube thumbnails, you can use the Wix design platform called Wixel. Start by heading to the Wixel dashboard and searching for the YouTube thumbnails category. You can choose from dozens of high-energy templates specifically designed for the 2026 YouTube algorithm. Once you pick a template, you can use the built-in AI image editor to adjust brightness, contrast, or even generate new backgrounds. The key is to keep your text short. Think 3 to 5 words maximum, and use high contrast colors so your thumbnail pops on small mobile screens. When you're finished, use the export tool to save it as a 1280 by 720 pixel PNG or JPEG, which is the perfect size for a crisp upload. When it relates to writing your video scripts, you can leverage the AI text creator found inside the Wix Editor or the Wix Studio dashboard. Even though it's designed for website copy, you can trick the AI to help with your YouTube scripts by feeding it your video's core topic and intended audience. For example, tell the AI you're writing a technology tutorial and ask it to generate an engaging introduction or a step-by-step outline for your specific tech niche. You can then copy these drafts into a Wix document or a text section on a hidden page of your site to keep your scripts and your digital presence organized in one single workspace. The final connected step is managing your assets for long-term growth. Since you already have your technology tutorial site on Wix, you can create a dedicated behind-the-scenes page where you store all your thumbnail templates and script drafts. This makes it incredibly easy to maintain a consistent brand voice across both your website and your YouTube channel. Using the Wix Video app, you can even host your finished videos on your site to give your fans a distraction-free place to watch your content away from the YouTube comment section. That is the workflow for using Wix as your secret weapon for YouTube content creation. It turns your website into a powerful hub that doesn't just display your work, but actually helps you build it. If this tutorial gave you a fresh way to look at your Wix account, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to use the Wix AI image generator to create custom characters for your tech reviews next, and I will see you in the next video.